Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Green Hatch Chile Smashburgers. So the first thing that we have to do is prepare the Green Hatch chilies. So here's how we do that. So we got beautiful Green Hatch chilies here from Melissa's Produce. The first thing that we want to do is place a skillet on our cooktop and set it to high. And now we want to roast the Green Hatch chilies. We're gonna flip them over several times. If you want to speed up the process and have a little bit of fun at the same time, you can use a torch. When the Green Hatch chilies are turning soft and they're charred all over, we want to remove them and place them in a Ziploc bag that we want to seal tight. Now we're gonna let these steam for about 30 minutes. This will help us when we need to peel the skin. After you peeled all the skins and removed the seeds, we're gonna finely chop the chilies. We want to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we can set them aside. Next, we want to set up the rest of the ingredients for the smash burgers. We need to spray the burger buns with some duck fat. Then we're going to place them in the broiler over high heat. And when they have a nice brown color, we're going to remove them. We're going to drizzle some mayo. We use cube pie because it's just simply the best. For the smash burger, we're using ground beef from Capitol Farm, produced locally here in Arizona and with amazing flavor. I like to make my smash burgers around 70 grams, so we're gonna roll them up into nice balls. All the ingredients for the smash burgers are now ready, so let's get to smashing. We want to butter the skillet, then we're gonna place the smash burger balls on the griddle. Then I use my Pizza Spitz burger press to smash the burgers. We're gonna season them with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. And after 2 minutes, we wanna flip them over. We're gonna add a slice of American cheese on top. And when the cheese starts to melt, we're gonna stack the smash burgers and place on the bun. We're gonna add a healthy scoop of the Green Hatch chilies on top. Then we're gonna add the top bun, and these smash burgers are ready to serve. And that is how I make my Green Hatch Chile Smashburgers. And I think the only thing left to do is to try one of these and see what they taste like. So here we go. Oh, great flavor, super moist, and then a little bit of heat from the chiles. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. Boom!